Pat and Josh work on their truck. See you soon. You might be wondering why I'm in my work shirt, because I am going to help my friends Patrick and Josh do some maintenance. I'm going to Patrick and Josh is to help them change out spark plugs and a couple other things. This is Pat. And that's Josh. Say hi, guys.
What's up? Twins.
Yeah, we're twins. Today, we're going to be doing your coil wires,
Spark plugs.
spark plugs,
Ignition wires.
ignition wires. Exactly.
Pull stuff off first off this engine.
Mm-hmm.
You can't really see because you got the camera facing me down here.
Mm-hmm.
All this other stuff, whatever it's called.
I see him.
Like this oil filter here.
Mm-hmm.
That, probably, whatever that is. So let's get
And this fan right
let's
here.
get to it.
I got you.
Taking the oil filter off.
Because it's always important to take your oil filter off.
I don't know where the air filter is. Air filter.
Probably on the bottom of the block.
Oh, that screw-in thing.
Yeah, that. It's a big old light.
Yeah.
Is it gapped correctly?
According to the Millennium Falcon, no. Supposed to be running 60. Good gracious.
Whoa.
7,000.
Do it.
Okay, what I figured out was it's too tight in the engine. So going from the top, I can't get in there. So if I lift it up from the side, take the tire off, you look under here, I don't know if you can see that, but I can go straight to the spark plugs and the spark plug wires and pull them straight off. That'll be so much easier. Now I know for the future reference. Finish. Just gotta put the oil filter back in.
So we will see you all
See you.
in the next video. Bye-bye.